respected citizens of the European Union and North Macedonia, I'm finalizing my working visit to Brussels, and it's very satisfying that one of my last meetings is with the Vice President of the European Commission and the European Union High Representative for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy, Joseph Borrell. We had fruitful discussions about the process of European Union integration of North Macedonia. We have a clear mission these days in Brussels, and that is to pass the message from Macedonian citizens to European Union officials that we work hard, we delivered, and we want to give our fair share to the future of Europe. We breathe, we live, and we grow with the European ideas and values. And we know there is no other way but the European way. We are committed on our common values and on implementation of European Union standards and criteria. And we don't want to stand and wait anymore. We want to move because moving forward is the European way. We are for mobility, not for walls. We are not asking more than what we deserve, and that is to hold the first intergovernmental conference as soon as possible. It was acknowledged and confirmed since March 2020. North Macedonia has fulfilled its obligations, and now it's a time for European Union to deliver. Can we talk about Western Balkans without North Macedonia? Can we talk about European without Western Balkans? No. We struggled a lot in the last decades and in the last centuries in order to find a way to peace and tolerance. And now we are all set to integrate, to dream together, and to achieve together. A positive move forward for North Macedonia would mean a message of encouragement for the entire region. A setback for North Macedonia, it will be a message of discouragement for the entire Western Balkan. I know this, the European leaders know that. Let's do the European way together. Thank you.